creating, editing, or deleting policies. Creating a policy. A company policy is a formal document that outlines the principles, rules, and guidelines set by an organization to govern its operations and behavior. It serves as a framework for decision-making and provides clear instructions on how employees should act. It is important to have a record of various policies and assign them to relevant employees as needed. This can be achieved by creating a policy record in the system. To create a policy record, begin by navigating to Policies from the Explorer sidebar and then clicking Policies. You are now on the Policies list page. Click on the New Policy button. This will open a flyout, allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. Fill in all the relevant details and click on Create to successfully create a new policy record. Editing a policy. To edit a policy record, navigate to Policies list page. Locate the policy you want to edit, either by scrolling through or using the search bar. Click on the title of the policy you wish to edit. Here, all the editable fields of the policy are displayed. Please note, you can upload the policy document as an attachment to this record. Don't forget to hit the Save button for the attachment to take effect. The uploaded attachment will be available for reference to other users in the Files tab. Make all the other necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the policy, and if desired, you can roll back to a previous version. To roll back to a previous version, go to the Details page and click the Rollback button. This will display the version history for the policy. Select a specific version and save the changes. The Policy Acknowledgements tab displays the list of all the employees who have read and understood this policy. Please be aware that if you edit a policy that has already been allocated and acknowledged by employees, the edits that you make will automatically be applied to those records. This may result in discrepancies between employee and policy acknowledgement records. Only minor edits or edits prior to implementation are recommended. Deleting a policy. Deleting a policy record is not recommended. Rather, you should consider changing the status to Archived. This way, you can maintain a record of past and current policies. However, in cases of incorrect data entry or a duplicate policy being created, you can delete the policy record. To delete a policy record, there are two options. From the Policy Details page, simply click on the Delete button to delete it. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple policies at once, navigate to the Policies list page and select all the policies you want to delete and press the Delete button.